Ever plant vegetable seeds, wait patiently, and nothing happens, or worse, the seedlings pop up and then collapse like tiny green noodles? Most gardeners blame the seeds, but the truth is the biggest mistakes happen before the seeds even sprout. And here is something many people do not know. Some vegetable seeds actually germinate best in total darkness. Today, we are covering the most common seed starting mistakes and the simple fixes that dramatically improve germination and healthy seedlings. Quick question for you. What vegetable seed gives you the most trouble starting? Drop it in the comments. Mistake number 1 is planting seeds too deep. Seeds contain a limited amount of stored energy. If they are buried too deep, they simply run out of energy before reaching the surface. A simple rule experienced gardeners use is this: plant seeds no deeper than 2 to 3 times their size. Tiny seeds, like lettuce or celery, should barely be covered. In some cases, they should simply be pressed onto the soil surface. Large seeds, like beans or peas, can go deeper. When in doubt, plant shallower rather than deeper. Seeds can push through a thin layer of soil easily, but they struggle through thick layers. Have you ever planted seeds that never came up? Depth might have been the reason. Water mistakes are another big reason seeds fail. Seeds need consistent moisture, not a swamp, not a desert. Overwatering suffocates seeds because it pushes oxygen out of the soil. Seeds need oxygen to germinate. Underwatering dries the seed before the germination process can finish. Think of the soil like a wrung-out sponge, moist but not dripping. A helpful trick is bottom watering. Place your seed tray in a shallow pan of water and let the soil absorb moisture from below. This keeps the surface stable and prevents washing seeds away. Your seeds stay evenly moist without drowning. Many gardeners overlook temperature. Seeds are like tiny biological machines. They activate best within certain temperature ranges. Most vegetable seeds germinate best between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Cool soil slows everything down. Sometimes seeds simply rot before they sprout. Warm soil speeds up germination dramatically. If you start seeds indoors, placing trays on top of the refrigerator or using a simple heat mat can make a noticeable difference. A few degrees of warmth can cut germination time in half. Now here is something that surprises many gardeners. Some vegetable seeds actually prefer darkness during germination. These seeds naturally sprout underground where light cannot reach them. Vegetable seeds that typically germinate best when covered and kept in darkness include beans, beets, corn, cucumbers, peas, squash, pumpkins, okra. Cover these seeds with soil according to their planting depth and keep them evenly moist. On the other hand, some seeds prefer light to germinate. Lettuce, celery, and some herbs often germinate best when barely covered or left right on the soil surface. Understanding this simple difference improves germination success immediately. Here is the classic mistake almost everyone makes at least once. Seeds sprout, but the light is too weak. The seedlings stretch toward the light and become long, thin, and fragile. Gardeners call this becoming leggy. A sunny window often is not strong enough for young vegetable seedlings. Seedlings need bright light for 12 to 16 hours daily. Simple shop lights or LED grow lights placed just a few inches above the plants work extremely well. Short, sturdy seedlings grow from strong light. Tall, floppy seedlings grow from weak light. Your plants will thank you later in the garden. Another common mistake is starting seeds far too early. It is easy to get excited during winter and start planting everything at once. But seedlings grow quickly. If they stay indoors too long, they become root-bound, stressed, and difficult to transplant. Most vegetables should be started indoors about 4 to 8 weeks before the last frost date. Timing matters more than enthusiasm. Sometimes patience is the most productive gardening tool. Let us recap the biggest seed starting lessons. First, plant seeds at the proper depth, usually 2 to 3 times their size. Second, keep soil evenly moist, not soaking wet and not bone dry. Third, provide the right temperature. Most vegetables love warm soil. Fourth, remember some seeds germinate best in darkness while others prefer light. And finally, give seedlings strong light once they sprout and do not start them too early. If you want fast results, start with one simple improvement. Check your seed planting depth and light levels. Those 2 changes alone fix most seed starting problems. Bonus tip from experience. Label your seed trays, because after 2 weeks, every seedling looks suspiciously like every other seedling, and nobody wants mystery vegetables in the garden. What vegetable seeds are you planning to start this season? If this video was useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications to become part of the family, and watch the next video on the screen. It was picked just for you to help your garden grow even better. See you soon.